What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the channel. If you're familiar with my content, you know I have a 2025 Raptor 700R special edition, color red. And yes, I do have my helmet on. That's just so I can use this mount because I wanted a stable video. But I'm gonna do an unboxing of my Big 3. As you see from the title, I finally purchased my Big 3. And I'm super excited. Haven't got it installed yet, so I said, let me go ahead and make an unboxing video for the community. So here we are, man. So first, got my, as you see, dyno jet. No dyno needed. Fully programmed. Go ahead and pop this open for y'all. I don't even know how to open it, as you see. Got the dyno jet power commander 6. Everything I need pre-tuned already. So that's that. And I got my fuel custom intake. So if you guys are familiar with these, this is it right here. Woo! Yeah, it's pretty wide, so it's gonna be a lot of air. A lot of air right there. I also got the one that comes with the box, so I don't want to like suck up anything bad, any dirt and debris. So I definitely got the one that comes with the box as well. And it's the filter right here. Damn. Yeah, this is tough right here. I like this. Definitely a lot of air coming in there. All the parts that go with it, the bracket, the hoses, FCI intake. Let's save the exhaust for last, you know, gotta do that. This is, okay, I know what this is right here. This is the heat shield and the spark arrestor, okay. Header pipe over here. Got this, so I got too many for this. Don't want to cut too deep. Yeah. Yeah, so this part goes in the motor right here. Definitely a lot wider, thicker than stock. So I'm excited to hear how that sounds. And if you're still watching right now, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe for sure. Make sure you hit the subscribe and the like button for sure. I might put in the title the type of exhaust I got, but right now it's kind of like suspense. I don't know, but you guys might already know from the title. Not really sure how I'm gonna do the title. Yeah. This goes to the silencer right here. Pick this up. Drum roll, please. Drum roll, please. My favorite part right here. Let's see what this look like. What did I get? What did I get? Because it was definitely between the Yoshi or the Monster. I went with Monster, y'all. Definitely big over Monster. After all the reviews, went with Monster. Had to get the red emblem as well to match the bike, but this actually looks very good. I really didn't want a black exhaust, so I went with this color right here. Was it the brass, I think? Oh yeah, this looks very good. Oh yeah, this looks very good. The tip, yeah, I'm super excited to hook this up right here. So I went with the Monster over the Yoshi. Took me about 2 weeks to receive everything after I ordered it. I went with Monster too because I was able to order everything off the Monster site. I don't want to say too much, but the guys at Monster, or girls, either or, they went ahead and tuned my power commander already, so it was just easier to order from Monster because I knew I was going to get everything all together at once, and it came with the tune already. So they tuned it for the FCI intake and the exhaust, so I think it was just best for me to go with Monster. I would say the only thing I didn't like about Monster, I didn't like customer service, because I did hit them up about the power commander to make sure it was going to be tuned correctly. It was only through email I could contact them. I really didn't like that. Whenever I tried to call Yoshi just to see if they would answer, they answered and they was helpful because I asked them a few things. But I would say overall it was still a good experience with Monster Quad. They still emailed me back in a timely manner. I would have preferred to be able to get somebody on the phone, but you know, it's cool. Yeah, so I'm excited to get this stuff put on my Raptor 700. I think it's definitely gonna make a lot of power with this. So okay. Like I said, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if you're still here. Any questions, jump in the comment box and you guys can ask me any questions about my experience with Monster. And also too, you guys are definitely gonna get a video once I put the exhaust on. Like I said, I went with the red M just to match the bike, but I didn't want to do a black can. I don't know, it's just kind of wanted it to go with, you know, with the motor and all of that. I don't want to do like a blacked out bike. So this is everything, guys. Fuel customs intake, Dyno Jet Power Commander 6. You see the intake right here. I'm excited to get all this on. And I went ahead and went with the standard can though. The shorty, I kind of wanted the shorty, but it might have been a little bit too loud. Like I said, if you're familiar with my content, you know I ride around like local areas, and I just felt like the shorty might have caused too much attention with the neighbors, if you know what I mean. I already had a couple neighbors complain about my stock exhaust, so I really didn't want to go extremely loud, even though I know the Monsters are loud, but I just didn't go with the shorty because I just was like, it's a little bit too loud for me. But definitely excited for this. Like I said, if you guys got any questions, make sure you comment below. Man, I appreciate everybody that's been following my content, liking, subscribing, interacting with me, and I hope you guys are ready for this journey. And I'm gonna definitely have more upgrades after this. A lot of cosmetic upgrades coming soon too. I think right now I just wanted to get this out the way. My performance upgrades. Let's actually check out this shield while I'm here. So you guys unbox everything. As you know, the shield is definitely gonna match the can, so let's see. Make sure everything is correct. Like I said, it took me about 2 weeks to receive everything, Everything came at once. Yeah, okay. This is perfect. Yeah. Make sure there's nothing in the box. So went with the Monster over the Yoshi. And I think I made a good decision. Pretty pleased with everything. Everything came in it's here. Nothing's broke. And it looks extremely good. And like I said, I went with the standard can over the Shorty, because I feel like the Shorty would have just been a little too loud for me. Even though I like loud, but the neighbors don't. So like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate everybody rocking with me. Just continue to check me out for more upgrades. And like I said, I appreciate everybody.